Hello YouTubers, do you face the brightness is not working properly in your Linux system but it working absolutely fine in your friend system? In this video, we are going to see how to solve this brightness issue in your Linux system. We are going to solve this brightness issue like I am doing. I am just opening a text file in my desktop and I am changing value into the text file and I am saving it. It helps me increase and decrease the brightness level. Before jump into the video, let's roll out the intro. In my first system, I am having AMD A4 Pro 3340B model graphics. In my second system, I am having AMD Pro A4 4350B model. In my first system, I am trying to increase and decrease the brightness level. It's working absolutely fine in my first system. Now in my second system, I am trying to increase and decrease the brightness level. In my second system, the graphics card, which is Pro A4 4350B model, it's newer model than the first system's graphics card. Now the brightness is not working in my second system. As we all know that Linux is an open source free operating system, we can do and modify all the files in that file system. So I'm just opening my file system directory and I'm just going to the sys directory. There I have a folder called class. I'm just going into it and going inside the graphics and opening the FB0 directory. There I am opening device. There I have a folder backlight. I'm going into it. Depending on the graphics card, this folder name will differ. I'm having AMD GPU _BL0. Inside I'm having a file brightness. I'm just sending this file as desktop shortcut. To make changes in this file, we need to have root permission. So I'm just opening this file as administrator. It will ask us to enter root password. Just enter your root password and hit authenticate. By default in the file we have value 255. It indicates the brightness level is max. Now I'm just typing 50 and I'm saving it. Now the brightness level has decreased to level 50. In Linux system, for some latest versions of graphics card, it's difficult to find the driver from their official website. And also in Linux, it's not that much easy to install software as compared to Windows. I hope if you have this problem in your system, you will get help from this video. We will meet with another interesting and helpful video like this in our Linux video series.